Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to increase calcium hardness in your pool. First, understand why maintaining proper calcium levels is crucial for your pool's longevity. Low calcium can lead to corrosive water, damaging plaster, grout, and metal components. Aim for a calcium hardness range of 200 to 400 parts per million to protect your investment and keep your pool looking great. This simple step prevents costly repairs down the line. Before adding anything, you need to know your current calcium hardness level. Use a quality test kit to get an accurate reading. Once you have that number, you can calculate how much calcium chloride is required to reach the ideal range. Many online pool calculators can help you determine the precise dosage based on your pool's volume and current calcium levels, making this step straightforward and accurate. Now for the addition process. Never add calcium chloride directly to the pool in its granular form. Instead, dissolve the calculated amount in a large bucket of water, stirring until it's fully dissolved. With your pool pump running, slowly pour the dissolved solution around the edges of your pool. This gradual addition helps prevent cloudiness and ensures even distribution throughout the water, allowing it to mix properly. After adding the calcium chloride, wait at least 24 hours before retesting your pool's calcium hardness. This allows the chemical to fully disperse and react. If the levels are still low, repeat the process, adding smaller increments until you reach the desired range. Consistent monitoring is key to maintaining a balanced pool. Also, for other great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.